नॉट ओनली फॉर फैमिली, हमें से बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के मतलब जैसे पहले सुपरस्टार और जहाँ से सुपरस्टार का एक तमगा लोगों को पता चला कि एक सुपरस्टार नाम की चीज़ है, उनके बारे में यूटीवी ने ये दिया हुआ है कि स्टैचू बना के हॉल ऑफ फेम के उधर जाके लगाएंगे। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। बहुत सारे लोगों के उन्होंने लगाए हैं, शम्मी कपूर जी, राज कपूर साहब, राजेश खन्ना जी, तो हम बहुत आभारी हैं उस बात के लिए। एंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है जबकि इतने बड़े बड़े लोगों के काम जो है लोग इट एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग।
अक्षय, ये जरूर जानना चाहेंगे, स्टैचू अभी फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ कि आखिर लगाया कहाँ पे जाएगा?
जी, ये बैंड्रा में ही लगाया जाएगा, जब वक्त आएगा आपको पता चल जाएगा।
Along with this, Kaka's dialogue, his songs have been, a rage amongst the nation. Is there one song or one dialogue that's always there in your mind?
I think you absolutely said it. There are so many of them that it becomes very hard for me to say it because सारे गाने अभी चल ही रहे थे, वो सब गाने मेरे ही चुने हुए हैं।
अगर काम की बात है, क्या कहेंगे जो बात में जो लुक है, जो लुक है उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जी, आई थिंक लुक के बारे में, लुक बहुत अच्छी लुक है। इट गिव्स यू द फीलिंग ऑफ फ्रीनेस, हैप्पीनेस एंड फ्रीडम। वो जो बलून, इट सिग्निफाइज दैट यू हैव टू बी completely absolutely free in your life, and that's it.
Any one memory of Kaka that you would want to share? Just one memory of Kaka. One memory of Kaka.
For me, he's there. He's in my heart. He lives there, and now he's outside for other people to see. So it's a very sentimental moment for us, and we're very happy as a family to have this.
Thank you so much.
Join us in celebrating the memory of the superstar Rajesh Khanna. Never before had ours inhabit this world at some or other part of our lives. To invite the family onto stage. Madam.
Thank you so much. Dimple ji, thank you so much for joining us.
Namaskar and good afternoon to all of you. I would like to thank all of you for having graced this occasion with your presence. It really means a lot to me and my family. Kakaji, what can I say about him? He was an enigma. He was a man who lived and died on his own terms. His contribution to Indian cinema is unparalleled. He was a superstar, and I think that says it all. As a man, his courage, his bravery, and his fearlessness, even in the time of death, is something I can never ever forget, and is something that I really admire. In real life too, as an Anand, he was Anand. He lived like Anand. My life with him was heady, thrilling, enthralling. It was a roller coaster ride. I learned a lot from him, and I feel honored to have known him and to be the mother of his two lovely children. He was a great man and deserves to be celebrated, to have his statue up there with some of the pioneers of our industry, like Raj Saab, Shami Uncle, Dev Saab, and Yash ji. It just shows what impact he had on all of us, and it makes me extremely happy and feel very, very proud. My family and I thank UTV for bestowing this great honor upon him. And I think ending this speech with his last on-screen dialogue would be most befitting for this occasion. Babu Moshai, मेरे फैंस मुझसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता. Thank you. And now I'd like Akshay to say a few words, please.
Well, I actually want to say, my son has written something for him. He was very close to him. And he just, He's 10 years old and he's just written some few words I would like to read out to you all. I would like to thank everyone for coming here. I remember 10 days before my Nana passed away, he was in bed and couldn't remember anyone. But he remembered me and kissed me on my head. I didn't know what happened to him, and I still don't know what happened to him. But I knew he was a great man, and he still stays next to me. Thank you, everyone, and goodbye. That's it.
Thank you so much. Can we have all three of you with the statue, please? Yes, please, you can go up.
Can I request Hima ji, Asha ji, Mitunda, Amar Singh ji, Rajiv Shukla ji, Chintu Saab, Dabu Saab, Jetu ji, please come on stage. Farhan, Honey, Sandy, Jagu, and the whole industry, please come. Pehla ji, Poonam ji, Shami aunty,